Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Super Cool Couponer. Today I will show you my CVS deal update on Sunday, May 9 to Saturday, May 15, 2021. And these are all digital and printable coupon deal. Before we start, make sure you send to all your manufactured digital coupon on your CVS app so you can combine with the digital and printable coupon deal. So let's begin with my first deal. So my first deal is Crate Scoop mouthwash and Oral-B toothbrush deal. Buy 2 Crate Scoop or Oral-B toothbrush and get back $3 ECB. They have limit 2 per household. It's on sale $3.99 each. You can buy 2 Crate Scoop mouthwash 1 liter. It's $7.98. It's $3.99 each. Also, you can buy 2 Oral-B manual toothbrush 1 city. It's $7.98. It's $3.99 each. The totals come out $15.96. Use one $4 of $16 Crest Oral Care CVS CRT. Use one $2 of Oral-B toothbrush digital coupon. Also, you can use one $5 of 3 Crest Oral Care digital coupon. This coupon is available on May 9th. The total coupon is $11. Pay or roll $4.96 and get back $6 ECB. The final cost is free plus $1.04 money maker. The next deal is L'Oreal Paris Cosmetic deal. Spend $20 on L'Oreal Cosmetic and get back $7 ECB. They have limit 1 per household. You can buy one L'Oreal Paris Voluminized Butterfly Mascara. It's $10.99. Also, you can buy one L'Oreal Paris Voluminized Mascara. It's $9.79. The totals come out $20.78. Use one $7 of $21 L'Oreal Paris Cosmetic CVS CRT if your store follow 98% rule. That coupon is take off. Also, you can use one $3 of 2 L'Oreal Mascara app only coupon. Also, we have one $2 of L'Oreal Paris Mascara app only coupon. Also, you can use one $2 of L'Oreal Eye Cosmetic digital coupon and use one $2 of Eye Cosmetic printable coupon on coupon.com. The total coupon is $16. Pay or roll $4.78 and get back $7 ECB. The final cost is free plus $2.22 money maker. The next deal is Essence Cosmetic deal. Spend 10 on Essence Cosmetic and get back $7 ECB. They have limit 1 per household. You can buy one Essence eyeshadow palette. It's $9.99. Also, you can use one free cosmetic up to $5 coupon. Check on your message CVS Extra Car. We have today $5 off any cosmetic up to $5. Pay or roll $4.99 and get back $7 ECB. The final cost is free plus $2.01 money maker. The next deal is Maybelline Cosmetic deal. Buy 2 Maybelline Cosmetic and get back $5 ECB. They have limit 1 per household. You can buy 2 Maybelline Twin Eye Pencil. It's $9.98. It's $4.99 each. Also, you can use one $3 of Revlon or Maybelline mystery coupon. We don't know the value of the mystery coupon. Is it possible like $3 of Revlon and $4 of Maybelline? We don't know. You can check on the Sunday. Also, you can use one $2 of Maybelline digital coupon and use one free cosmetic up to $5 coupon. The total coupon is $10. Pay nothing out of pocket and get back $5 ECB. The final cost is free plus $5 money maker. The next deal is Revlon Cosmetic deal scenario 1. Spend $12 on Revlon Cosmetic and get back $5 ECB. They have limit 6 per household. If you don't have any CRT, you can do this deal like that. You can buy one Revlon Skin Light highlighter. It's $12.49. You can use one $4 of Revlon or Maybelline Cosmetic mystery coupon, but you can check which amount we can get the mystery offer. This coupon is available on May 9th. Also, you can use one $3 of Revlon Face Cosmetic digital coupon. The total coupon is $7. Pay or roll $5.49 and get back $5 ECB. The final cost is free. Final cost is only just 49 cents each. The next deal is Revlon Cosmetic Deal Scenario 2. If you have 6 of $20 Revlon Cosmetic CVS CRT, spend $12 on Revlon Cosmetic and get back $5 ECB. They have limit 6 per household. You can buy one Revlon Skin Light Highlighter, it's $12.49. Also, you can buy one Revlon Photo Ready Concealer, it's $11.79. The totals come out $24.28. Use one $6 of $20 Revlon Cosmetic CVS CRT. Also, you can use one $4 of Revlon or Maybelline Cosmetic Mystery Coupon. This coupon is available on May 9th. Use one $3 of Revlon Face digital coupon and use one $3 of Revlon Face printable coupon on coupon.com. The total coupon is $16. Pay or roll $8.28 and get back $10 ECB. The final cost is free plus $1.72 money maker. The next deal is hair care deal. If you have 4 of 18 CVS CRT, you can do this deal together. Spend $8 on L'Oreal hair care and get back $4 ECB. They have limit 1 per household and buy 2 Tresemme shampoo and get back $2 ECB. This one also has a limit 1 per household and it's on sale 2 for $8. You can buy 2 L'Oreal shampoo or conditioner, it's $9.98, it's $4.99 each. Also, you can buy 2 Tresemme shampoo or conditioner, it's $8, it's 2 for $8. The totals come out $17.98. Use one $4 of $18 any shampoo, conditioner or styler CVS CRT. Also, you can use $1 of L'Oreal shampoo or conditioner digital coupon and use $1 of L'Oreal shampoo and conditioner printable coupon. Also, you can use one $3 of 2 Tresemme shampoo or conditioner CVS CRT. The total coupon is $9. Pay or roll $8.98 and get back $4 ECB for the L'Oreal and get back $2 ECB for the Tresemme. The final cost is only just $2.98 or 74 cents each. The next deal is Gillette and Venus Razor or refill deal. Buy 2 Gillette and Venus Razor and get back $8 ECB. They have limit 1 per household. You can buy 2 Venus Woman Razor, it's $19.98, it's $9.99 each. Also, you can use one $5 of $20 any razor or refill CVS CRT. Use one $3 of Gillette or Venus CVS CRT. Use one $3 of Gillette Venus printable coupon on coupon.com, but this coupon has a limit 1 per household. If you didn't print this coupon, it's still available on coupon.com. The total coupon is $11. Pay or roll $8.98 and get back $8 ECB. The final cost is only just 98 cents or 49 cents each. The next deal is any Seek, Age, Skintimate or Bulldog product deal. Spend $25 on Seek or Bulldog product and get back $10 ECB. They have limit 1 per household. You can buy one Seek Hydro Seek 3 refill, it's $12.49. Also, you can buy one Seek Hydro Man Razor, it's $12.49. Altogether, the totals come out $24.98. Use one $5 of $20 any Save Care product CVS CRT. Use one $4 of Seek Hydro Seek 3 refill CVS CRT. Also, we have $3 of Seek Man digital coupon. This coupon is available on May 9th. Check back on Sunday, like if we get any printable or digital coupon and if it's higher than the value. Also, you can use $3 of Seek Woman digital coupon. I'm not sure we can get both digital coupon, so check back on the Sunday. The total coupon is $15. Pay or roll $9.98 and get back $10 ECB. The final cost is free. The next deal is select Eucerin or Aquaphor deal. Spend $20 and get back $10 ECB. They have limit 1 per household. Buy 2 Eucerin Skin Calming Cream 8OZ, it's $19.98. It's $9.99 each. But make sure check this one is included or not. Use one $4 of $20 any lotion CVS CRT. Also we have $2 of Eucerin lotion app only coupon, and also you can use $1 of Eucerin lotion app only coupon. The total coupon is $7. Pay or roll $12.98 and get back $10 ECB. The final cost is only just $2.98 or $1.49 each. This one it's included the beauty reward also. But check back on Sunday if we get any printable or digital coupon. Or you can check on eucerinus.com for the printable coupon. I check on mine, but it say like it's the coupon it's expired. So if you able to print that coupon, you can use and you can stack with this deal. The next deal it's Garnier facial care deal. Buy 2 Garnier facial care and get back $5 ECB. They have limit 1 per household. Buy 1 Garnier Green Lab Serum 2.4 is $22.49. Also, you can buy 1 Garnier Skin Active Micellar Makeup Remover Wipe. It's $7.79. The totals come out $30.28. You can use one $6 of $25 Garnier Facial Care CVS CRT. Use 2 $5 of Garnier Green Lab Serum CVS CRT. Also, you can use $2 of Garnier Micellar Water CVS CRT. The total coupon is $20. Pay or roll $10.28 and get back $5 ECB, plus you can earn $3 beauty reward because you almost spent $30. The final cost is only just $2.28 or $1.14 each. The next deal is household deal. Spend 30 and get back $10 ECB. It's limit 1 per household. You can buy 1 L'Oreal Paris Revitalift Serum. It's $27.49. Also, you can buy 1 L'Oreal Paris Face Cleanser Gel. It's $5.19. The totals come out $32.68. Use 2 $5 of $15 L'Oreal Paris Facial Care CVS CRT. Also, if you have 2 $5 of L'Oreal Paris Revitalift Serum CVS CRT. Also, we have one $2 of L'Oreal Facial Care digital coupon and use one $2 of L'Oreal Facial Care printable coupon on coupon.com. The total coupon is $24. Pay or roll $8.68 and get back $10 ECB, plus you can earn $3 beauty reward. The final cost is free plus $4.32 money maker. The next deal is household deal. Spend 20 and get back $5 ECB. They have limit 1 per household. Buy 1 Tide Liquid 92 OZ. It's $11.94. Also, you can buy 1 Bounty Paper Towel 4CT. It's $7.99. The totals come out $19.93. Use one $3 of $12 any Tide Downy or Bouncy Free and Gentle CVS CRT. Use one $3 of Tide Liquid digital coupon and use one $1 of Bounty digital coupon. The total coupon is $7. Pay or roll $12.93 and get back $5 ECB. The final cost all product is only just $7.93 or $3.96 each. The next deal is Stay Free, Carefree and Playtex and OB deal scenario 1. Spend 12 and get back $3 ECB. They have limit 1 per household. It's on sale. Buy 1 get 1 50% off. You can buy 2 Playtex pot tampon 32 to 40 CT. It's $14.23. It's $9.49 each, and it's buy 1 get 1 50% off. You can use one $4 or $14 Stay Free pad, Playtex tampon or liner CVS CRT. Use 2 $3 of Playtex tampon 32 to 40 CT CVS CRT. The total coupon is $10. Pay or roll $4.23 and get back $3 ECB. The final cost is only just $1.23 or 61 cents each. But check back on Sunday if we get any digital or printable coupon. Generally in this product we always get the digital coupon, so check back on Sunday. The next deal is scenario 2, spend 12 and get $3 ECB. Buy one stay free maxi paid with Wing, it's $7.99. Also you can buy one stay free maxi paid with Wing, it's $3.99. The totals come out $11.97. Use one $2 of $12 paid liner CVS CRT. Also you can use one $3 of stay free paid liner CVS CRT. The total coupon is $5. Pay or roll $6.97 and get back $3 ECB. The final cost is only just $3.97 or $1.98 each. So make sure to check the digital and printable coupon if we get on the Sunday. The next deal is Poises or Depend paid deal. Buy one Poises or Depend product and get back $2 ECB. They have limit 1 per household. It's on sale $5.99 each. Buy one Poises bed 18 seats $5.99. Use one $3 of Poises paid digital coupon. This coupon is available on May 9th. Pay only just $2.99 and get back $2 ECB. The final cost is only just 99 cents each. The next deal is Bebo bathroom and paper towel tissue deal. Buy two tissue paper and get back $3 ECB. They have limit 1 per household. It's on sale, buy one get one free. Buy 4 Bebo unbleached bathroom tissue 8 roll, it's $21.98. It's $10.99 each and it's buy one get one free. You can use one buy two get one free 8 count toilet paper CVS CRT. It's took $10.99. Pay or roll $10.99 and get back $3 ECB. The final cost is only just $7.99 or $1.99 each. So friend, check on your message on CVS Extra Care. I got this morning, it's free cosmetic up to $5. So if you don't follow on my Instagram, I post small deal on there, so you can follow me on the super cool couponer on the Instagram. So friend, this is my next week's CVS deal update. I hope this deal is helpful to you. If to, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye. See you.